Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day and a great week. In this video, we are going to learn about flow function, ceil function and square root function and some of the examples from the previous tutorials. Now, before getting started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you are not purchased my book, means please purchase, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now, let's get into the video. Start with flow function. First, import math. Now, print open bracket math dot floor open bracket 3.3. Now I'm running it. Import math library by the statement import math. Use the method of math by writing the library name dot method name math dot flow function. The floor value of 3.3 is 3. Just strip off the decimal number after the decimal point. Now let's come to the topic, ceil function. Ceil function. Now the next whole value of 3.3 is 4. Now let's come to the topic, square root. sqrt function. Now here the square root method gives the square root of the given number. Now I'll show you. First, import math. After that, print open bracket math dot sqrt open bracket. I'm just giving 25. Now I'm running it. The square root of 25 is 5. Now I'm just showing some of the examples which we have done in the previous class, not in the previous class, in the previous videos, and also a new thing. Now I'm just giving some examples of the math programs with decimal. First, decimals. Now here, first a equal to 1.1. Now b equal to 2.2. Now here c equal to a plus b. Here print open bracket str open bracket c. You might have if you are not seeing the previous tutorials, means you might have a doubt, what is str? It is string. We are converting these both into string while adding it. Now I'm running. We know that 1.1 plus 2.2 gives 3.3, but Python returns 3.3 0.0000000 around like 8, and at last it gives 3. Why is it? You might wonder. The reason is whatever data we feed to the computer gets stored as binary, that is ones and zeros. The decimal function 0.1 will result in an infinity long binary fraction. An infinity Long binary fraction cannot be stored in a computer memory because the computer can only store finite values. After some 6 digits in decimals, the binary value are approximated. This is purely a hardware limitation and not the mistake of Python. To avoid this, decimal function method is used. Now here what you should do is, now from decimal import decimal as, I'm just giving as D. Here D is the object which I have created for decimals. Here you can give any values like A or B. After I run it, I'll show it. See here, when I run, the value has come 3.3, but in the previous time when we do it, it came 3.3000 like that. But now it has, in the Python gave us the correct value. Now here I'm changing as, I'll just change it as A. No, we should not use it as A because already we have used it. I'm just giving as E. Now see here, then too it came the same value. So see you guys in the next video. Before ending up, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please press on the like button, and if you think that this is useful and this is more important, please share it to your friends, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.